Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box of Yu-Gi-Oh! Legacy of Destruction. So without further ado, let's open it. And I really should start opening while I do the intro, as to not waste time. But yeah, here we are, another box. I have two more in stock after this one, so look forward to that. Maybe not, who knows. Let's see what we get. We get a Wake Up Centurion for our first ultra rare of the box. On to the next one we go. We get a Pendulum Witch. And on to the next one. Let's not waste any time. Get an Ancient Gear Dark Golem. And that's it here. And on to the next one, where we get a Fishborg Harpooner. And that's that. Speedrun opening packs. We have a Gold Pride Eradicator for a second ultra rare here. On to the next pack we go, where we have a Sangenpai, Transcendent, Dragion, Next pack, where we have a more Marshmallow. That's it. On to the next one we go. We have a Shining Sarcophagus for the first secret rare. And on to the next one we go. Not losing any cards here. Another Fishborg Harpooner. And on to the next. Let's see what we get. We get a Gold Pride Eliminator. Moving on. We get a Celatris Valmonica for our third ultra rare. Hope I'm counting correctly. But I should. On to the next pack, where we get a Goblin Biker Troika Griar. On to the next one, with a multi-universe. And on to the next one, with a Turn Silence. And on to the next one, where we have a Spearhead of the Ashen City. And next pack we have a Supreme King, Zed-Arc Synchro Universe. Moving along. We have Void Burial, the Dragon Undertaker for the 4th ultra rare of the box. On to the next one we go, where we have a Shaman of the Ashen City. Still a few packs left. And in the next one we get a Blessing of the Voiceless Voice. On to the next one. And we get a Varudas, the Final Bringer of the End Times, for our 2nd secret rare. 4 packs left to go. Finale, as we see. Way where there's a will. Third to last pack. With a Code of Soul. Second to last pack. Where we get a Battle Guard Echoes. And down to the last pack. Let's see what we get in that one. We get a Flowering Etoile, the Melodious Magnificat. And that wraps this opening up. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you at the next one.